Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Sherfy and I currently live in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, so about 20 minutes away from Widener University. My first year field placement and my recent job. So I completed my first year placement while senior at Newman University. I completed my internship at the agency that I'm currently working at. I completed my internship at Delaware County Children Youth Services as a caseworker in the adoption unit. So I shadowed caseworkers that went throughout the adoption process with the agency. I met with both the foster parents, the adoptive parents, or the bio parents, and completed case manager work. Then I was hired as a caseworker in the ongoing unit, which is services for children in their own home. So I currently am a caseworker in the SCO department, is the acronym that we use. I've been there for 4 years. It will be 5 years in June. I absolutely love doing what I do. I see my clients bi-weekly or weekly or monthly, depending on the severity of the case. I go into the homes of my clients. I do my best to keep the children with their biological parents, and if not, then I have to remove them into foster care or place them with kinship, which is family resources. So I try to implement as much services as I can. So working with the family is my main priority, to work with the children, work with the parents, work with the relatives, just bring all the family supports together as a whole to make sure that we can keep these kids in the home. My experience has been working with families has been very well. I haven't had any, bad situations happen to me in the past for almost 5 years now. I enjoyed going out to the homes, building a rapport with my clients. We text, we call. At the end of the day, I'm the child's caseworker and just want to make sure that the kids are safe. A little bit about my family. So my family, I come from a large family. Both my mom and my dad are full-time working parents and always have been. I currently have 4 younger brothers. I'm the oldest of 5. I currently have a 1.5-year-old daughter. So all of my family members have stepped up into the role of grandma and grandpa and uncles. Me and my youngest brother are currently 14 years apart. So I would consider myself as the caregiver role. I've helped my mom because I was 14 years old when she had him. I helped her out carrying him, caring for him, making sure that he was okay when my mom needed a break, watching him when she needed to complete some task. So I am truly the caregiver of the family, and I still am. I make sure that everyone has what they need. That's definitely helped me, becoming the mother that I am. I also, have that experience of helping my mom not raise, but just be there with my brothers, being older, being able to care for them, and whatnot. So, the role that I played in my own family, I would definitely consider myself, that has helped me be the best mom that I can be. I am a first-time mom, and my daughter is my first child. So it's all, still being a new mom and having that support from my family is definitely a huge help. I'm looking forward to this class and getting to know all of you. Thank you.